Okay, I am trying to make a little cube. The printer is connected. It's got the cube loaded in the screen. Show them the screen. As you can see, the filament is in the back, and it's all the way through the white cord to the end, but nothing is coming out, and so it is not printing anything. Okay, this is the second try. 2 tries, neither time did anything come out of the end of the device to print. Okay, however, all the connections are made, and it has the PLA material. It went through a warm-up. It said ready, but nothing's coming out. Okay, that's enough video.